market waits for no one. Not for rising costs, not for labour shortages, not for another quarter of uncertainty. Markets are unpredictable. The pressure to do more with less is already here, and waiting to act isn't a strategy. At Vendavo's Growth and Profitability Summit, you'll get what you need to make faster, smarter, more profitable decisions in real time. See predictive analytics and AI in action applied to real-world pricing and selling strategies. Learn how to automate pricing, quoting, and rebate processes so you can respond before the market shifts. Hear from companies turning volatility into velocity and walking away with measurable outcomes. And to top it all off, this year, GPS is more than a conference. It's the beginning of the next chapter for Vendavo. A reimagined foundation for profitable growth, built for action in an unpredictable world. And it changes everything.